In this session, we are going to discuss about the differences between the computer and the calculator. So, what is the calculator? It is a calculating device. Yes, as we know, it is a small device which has a small screen and small keypad with numbers. And how it is helping for us? It helps us in doing the calculations very quickly and it doesn't make any mistakes. If we have a calculator, then why do we need a computer? Yes, we need a computer because it has many features than a calculator. Now, let us discuss about the differences. Computer works on alphabets, numerical values and other symbols too. But a calculator works only on numbers and it performs only mathematical operations. A computer has a big screen, but a calculator has a small screen. A computer screen displays images, videos, numbers and text. But a calculator shows only numbers. A computer can display more than one result at the same time. But a calculator can display only one result at a time. Dear students, the speed of the computer is very fast and it can perform millions of calculations in nanoseconds. Whereas the calculator speed is as low as compared to the computer. The memory of the computer is very large, but the memory of a calculator is very small. A computer is a programmable device, whereas the calculator is not a programmable device. That is, a computer can be instructed to do the functions other than calculation, but calculator cannot be instructed to do the functions other than the calculations or arithmetic operations. In computer, we can save the information, but in calculator, we cannot save any informations. Students, if you take the keyboard, the computer keyboard has many keys, but the calculator is having keypad instead of keyboard, which is very small. We can play games on computer, but in calculator we cannot play any more games. Students, we can draw and color on computer, but we cannot draw or color on a calculator. Yes, now you might have understood the basic differences between the calculator and the computer. Let me see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.